Today's Daily Dose of Math is about the median method for finding the equation of the regression line from the points in a table of values that goes with a scatter plot. The first step is to make sure our points are arranged in increasing order of x. Then we divide our table into three smaller tables, making sure that the smaller tables are as close to the same size as possible. In this case, we had 12 points, so we were able to have three smaller tables that are exactly the same size with 4 points each. Then we find the median of the x values and the median of the y values for each of the smaller tables. For the x values, this is very straightforward because they're already in increasing order. For the y values, you have to slow down and be careful because they're not necessarily in increasing order, like this set here in the third table. Once you have found all six medians, you arrange them as the x and y coordinates in these 3 points, point M1, point M2, and point M3. The median of the x's from the first table is 11.5 and is the x-coordinate of point M1. The median of the y's from the first table is 19.5 and is the y-coordinate of point M1. It works the same way for the other 2 points. Now we can get busy deriving the equation for this regression line. The first thing we do is the slope formula, using 2 points. Which 2 points? We use points M1 and M3 for this. We find a slope of 17 over 15. Now we want to plug that slope and a point into the y equals ax plus b form for a straight line equation in order to solve for b, our y-intercept. But what point do we use? What we do is we find a point called point P. The x-coordinate of point P is going to be the mean of the x-coordinates of points M1, M2, and M3. We calculated this mean here and we got 15. The y-coordinate of point P will be the mean of the y-coordinates of the 3 points. We got 71/3 for our y sub p. We arrange the x sub p and the y sub p into point P. It has an x-coordinate of 15 and a y-coordinate of 71/3. Now we're able to plug point P and the slope 17 over 15 into the y equals ax plus b form and solve for b. We get a b of 20/3. Finally, we're able to write down the equation of our regression line. It is y equals 17/15 x plus 20/3.